friends, welcome to your channel Learning More with Prerna. I am Prerna and please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. Today we are learning about cover letter friends. Cover letter is a document, very important document where you will be showcasing your talent, your skills and what type of job you are seeking for. You will be mentioning that in cover letter. Along with cover letter, you will be attaching your resume friends. So today we will be seeing how we should prepare a good cover letter, an attractive cover letter friends. So while writing cover letter, you should be very careful. It should be clean, neatly written so that it will be looking good. If it is looking good, it looks attractive friends. And second thing, you should not copy from your friends because sometimes your friend will mention about their skills, but if you are copying from them, you will be writing the same skills what your friends have. If you and your friends have the same skills, it's okay fine, you can copy, but otherwise you will face a problem. So be careful. So friends, while writing a cover letter, you should write from. In from, you will be writing here two things, that is your name and address friends, residential address. So your name should be written in capital letters and it should be bolded like how we write in our resume, and you should write your address friend. In 2, you will be writing, under this you will write the person who is advertising the job. Example, the manager is advertising the job, so you will write the manager of so and so company and so will be the address of the company given in advertisement. And sir or madam, you don't know whether the manager is sir or madam, so you have to write both. Then subject. What is subject? You are applying or application for the post of so and so. You may write application for the post of account officer in your company, that means to say so and so company. And next, reference. When we come to reference friends, here you have to write about the advertisement which you have seen in particular paper. Example, I have seen the advertisement in Times of India or the Hindu. Then you have to write that newspaper's name, and you have to write the date of the advertisement when it had been advertised to you guys, and day and the code will be there for the advertisement. You have to mention that also friend. Next, introduce the person. If you know someone from the company, then you have to introduce that person friends. Example, you know someone who is working in that company, you have to mention their post, their other details. Where you are working, currently or presently where you are working, even you should mention that. I am working in so and so company as so and so. What is your post? You have to write that in so and so post I am working. Next, you have to mention some skills friends. Like I am responsible, you have to write few points. You should mention I am ready to take the responsibility and I have the capability to manage the work friends. Then you should write, if they have asked you about the computer skills or other communicative skills, you have to mention that. I am good at my communicative skills as well as computer skills. I am good at both of this. You have to mention that. Then your faithfully, you have to write this. Under that you have to write your signature. You should do your signature. Then date, on which date you have written this. And next you should write the place, from which place you are writing this. Here I conclude my video, and please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. Thank you.